Happy holidays! I'm really that person. If you guys didn't know, which you probably already did, I'm obsessed with Christmas. Christmas is coming up. It's now officially November. It's going to be here before you know it. So I thought that I would show you guys how to make 10 DIY Christmas gifts. Plus there's a giveaway at the end, so you don't want to miss out on that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get the video rolling.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
gifts for the video. If you haven't seen my videos from previous years, I have 4 others, I'm pretty sure, on some more DIY gifts. I think there's like maybe 50 in total or more. I don't even know. If you need more ideas, you'll definitely be able to find some. I'll link the playlist down below. Now it's time for a giveaway because I want to give back to you guys this holiday season and just do a fun little giveaway. I would like to thank Clean Canteen for partnering with me on this giveaway, and I'll be giving you guys one of the gifts in this video plus a little extra so you can give to someone else, or you can just have a lot of reusable Clean Canteen stuff. So anyways, first off in this giveaway, you will be winning some reusable straws. You will also be winning some reusable cups as well. This is the one that I showed in the DIY. It's just a tumbler that's insulated. And then the other one is this water bottle right here. So like I said, one for you, one for a friend, or both for you, whatever you want to do. Maybe you already have your gifts. I don't know, maybe you're really early on your Christmas shopping. But if you need extras, these would be good. And then last but not least, you'll be winning a pack of scrunchies. Now into the rules on how to enter. First off, you want to make sure you're obviously subscribed to my channel, and then also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. My username is Kaylee_Elise. Ooh, give this video a thumbs up. Gotta do that. And then also be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know which DIY was your favorite or which DIY you think you would give to someone. Also, go ahead and comment your Instagram as well in your comment. Good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. It will end December 15th. That is such a random day. That way there'll be plenty of time for people to enter, and then the gift winner will get their gifts for Christmas, hopefully. And I will message you on Instagram to let you know that you won, and I'll also put it in the caption description box. Oh my gosh, I've been away from YouTube too long. I hope you all have an amazing day. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and yeah, bye. Oh my gosh, I think I was looking at the viewfinder the whole time of the intro, so I'm going to need to redo that whole thing because I forgot to flip it around. And see, I'm still, oh my gosh, I'm still looking at it. Rolling. They see me rolling. They hate it. Okay, this is failing. I can't with myself. I'm in the weirdest mood today.